All right, today we're gonna be installing some carbon fiber for the G. We got a little duckbill, and a front splitter and side skirts. I don't know about the side skirts yet, just because, you know, I don't know if they'll look good or not. But yeah, we're gonna try to put on the front splitter and the rear duckbill. But yeah, a bunch of self tappers and a dream, and some Gorilla Glue. No, I'm playing. Here's what the carbon fiber looks like. The fake carbon, if you're dumb and don't know what I meant by it. It's okay, it's gonna be getting ripped up anyways, cause I jump speed bumps. All right, and here's the rear spoiler, duckbill, fake carbon fiber, with the camera, the rear backup camera, and the trunk release button right there. Yeah, Temu special right here, baby. All right, now I'm gonna start off by putting this 3M tape on the duckbill. Oh my God, this is so stupid. All right, this might be the best 3M job I think I've ever seen. Holy cow. Sign me up for taping stuff. All right, now we can go test fit it and just kind of see how we're gonna put it on. All right, so this is kind of what it's gonna look like whenever it's on, except these corners are gonna be obviously more down. I mean, it's not, it looks, I don't know. It looks kind of weird from the sides, but from the back, she's pretty cute looking. Yeah, I don't know. All right, now I'm just gonna clean up the trunk, just so it has a clean surface to bond to. All right, now we gotta just take off the red strips and put it on. I don't even talk about that. I'm glad you said that, because I was gonna swear. All right, it's on. It probably needs to be pushed down a little bit more, but I wonder if I just didn't put the 3M close enough to the edge here, because if you look, you can see there's kind of a little gap right here and kind of right here, but who knows. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's not like a crazy rear wing or anything. I just wanted something that was, you could tell was there, but wasn't obnoxiously big. And then here's the backup camera, fits in there, but this one is a little, I mean, you can still obviously use it, but it kind of comes over it a little bit. What the fuck? That's all I mean, but this is only $48, I think. So just hope it doesn't fly off and fucking kill a kid getting off the school bus or something. Let these sit on there for a little. Just keep a little weight on it. All right, well, that's sitting, doing its thing. We can go check out the front spoiler, or front lip. All right, here's the front lip, and here's like the side pieces. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's adjustable, so it's that dang Temu special shit. But yeah, so here's the other part of it. Figured just 3M it up first, and so, you know, I don't want to drill it in first and might have to move it or something. So like 3M it up and then use all these screws or whatnot, self-tappers, whatever you call them, to ruin my bumper. So yeah. Pretty cheap, but like I said, I don't really care. It's gonna get fucked up anyways. I'm gonna spend fucking $600 on a carbon fiber front lip that's gonna get beat to shit, so. All right, we got the front lip out here. Got it marked up to line it up once I set it up here. I'm gonna 3M it on first before we put the self-tappers in. Alright guys, I don't really like the way this looks on here. Hey Dan, that 3M tape pretty good. I actually ordered a new one. So this just, I don't know, it's just something's, just doesn't look right to me. Who knows? So if you want it, just come get it. Free 99. Alright, we got the new front lip in. And it's actually all one piece. So yeah. None of that emu fucking build your own lip. So we'll see how it looks. If not, then I'm throwing this one away too. Alright, here's the new one. You can see it actually molds to the front bumper, so it doesn't look like there's two front lips on it like the other one did. And here's all the holes for the mounting. Cause you just gotta screw it into the bumper. Kind of crazy, but who cares? My bumper's shit anyways. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's jump to putting it on. These are the screws they provide with the front bumper, and there's already holes cut into it too, so it'll make it easier for installation versus the Wish Temu Emu shit in all 8 different parts. So yeah, let's jump in to putting it on now. All right, it's actually the next day. I didn't really record anything of me putting it on because it's just really simple to put on. You just screw it into the bumper. I mean, for $100, it's really not that bad. The fitment's almost perfect. Honestly, if you have a good bumper, I wouldn't just drill straight into it. The bolts it has, I would go under, I would take the bumper off and like drill set holes and just put like bolts in there with nuts or another way, just because your bumper's ruined after this, which is fucking screw holes in it. But I don't really care because my bumper's all beat up anyways. But yeah, besides that, I mean, $100, you really can't beat it. I mean, it doesn't really, it's not the most aggressive thing either. Yeah, I mean, it's just a front lip. Looks good. It'll do the job. Maybe 80 pounds of downforce, so I'm gonna be basically an F1 car, so this is awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching this little video of me installing the Aero on the G. I'll be having more videos soon. I say that, but I don't know, maybe me walking my cousin's slow Volkswagen. Probably, yeah, something like that. All right, yeah, but thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.